Welcome. We're quickly going to go over one of the key concepts within CyberArk identity flows, loops. This is going to be a quick 5-part series that covers loops in general, including the two types, number of items versus array of items, as well as the methods of escape for loops, whether that is a break or a continue action. And then lastly, the final video will cover how you can use data inside of loops, as well as take that data and then use it outside of the loop. So quick introduction, of course, I have a basic flow here. It's got a generic name. How would you interact or add a loop to this flow? Well, a loop is a condition within identity. So you would come over to conditions, find loop, and then just drag it on in, right? So now that I've added it, I have a couple of options here. Do I want to go ahead and give it a name? The name is very useful for kind of just identifying what the loop is for, right? So maybe you want to iterate through an array that was maybe a JSON body that was sent in, right? So you could say something like iterate through JSON body, and then you can choose the type, array of items or number of items. Once you have the loop constructed, you can add additional things inside of your loop, right? Maybe once you find something in that array, or as you're iterating through, you want to make a condition or a comparison, etc. From there, you want to do something like send out an email or break the loop altogether. That's what we're going to cover in subsequent videos. But just be aware that a loop is a general condition that will just allow you to iterate through a specific number of items or an array of items that's been provided. So go ahead and select the next video to learn about iterating based on the number of items.